You've been going to the gym for months, and nothing's changed.
The commute, the machines, the waiting. It's exhausting before you even start.
But what if the gym isn't even the most efficient way to burn fat? Science just found something the fitness industry doesn't want you to know.
Welcome back. Today we're comparing cycling and the gym for real fat loss.
Not opinions. Not trends. Pure, peer-reviewed science. Here's what actually triggers your body to burn stored fat.
Fat loss happens best in Zone 2 cardio, CO, moderate, sustained effort.
Cycling keeps you in that fat-burning zone for longer than almost anything else.
And there's one more reason cycling wins, TRO. I'll reveal it at the end.
A 155-pound person burns up to 600 calories per hour cycling moderately.
Compared to weight training at just 220 to 300 calories per hour. Oh, huge difference.
But here's what most fitness videos completely skip over.
Cycling triggers dopamine release, the reward chemical that builds habit.
That's why cyclists actually look forward to their workout. Consistency becomes effortless.
High-intensity gym sessions can spike cortisol, the stress hormone that stores belly fat. More stress equals more belly fat. The gym might literally be working against you. Overtraining at the gym is one of America's leading causes of fitness burnout.
Most people quit the gym within 8 weeks. Sound familiar?
What if the solution was sitting in your garage this whole time?
Cycling requires zero membership fees and works anywhere in America.
The average American spends $600 a year on a gym they barely use.
Cycling works for every fitness level, age, and body type. Cycling is low impact. Your joints stay protected while you still torch fat. It activates your largest muscle groups, ANS, quads, glutes, hamstrings, glutes, simultaneously.
Hit that like button if this is already making you rethink your routine.
Cycling also creates an afterburn effect. VIXO. Your body keeps burning fat for hours after.
You're burning fat in your sleep after a great cycling session. Science confirmed.
In just 6 weeks of regular cycling, studies show measurable belly fat reduction.
A 2022 study found cyclists lost 3x more visceral fat than gym-only participants.
Remember that one reason I said cycling wins? Here it is.
Nature exposure during cycling reduces anxiety and cortisol by up to 30%.
Less cortisol means your body physically stops clinging to belly fat. Game changer. Lower stress, more fat burn, better mood, and you actually stick to it. The gym isn't bad bay, but for fat loss and sustainability, cycling is in a different league. Every single advantage stacks up in cycling's favor for the everyday American. You don't need a fancy bike. A basic $200 bike can change your entire body. Start with just 3 30-minute rides a week, and your body will respond fast. It won't be perfect, Tane, but every pedal stroke is burning the fat the gym couldn't touch. 3 weeks in, Tina. More energy, better sleep, and your pants fitting differently.
The mirror that once frustrated you, it'll start to become your motivation.
This isn't just fitness, it's freedom. And it's available to everyone right now. Cycling isn't just better than the gym for fat loss, Tia. It's better for your whole life.
Zone 2 cardio, cortisol control, dopamine habit loop, all from one activity.
Subscribe for weekly science-backed cycling content. Rain. Your fat loss journey starts today.